Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto E6i. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter display. Right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list where we can change brightness level of the screen manually or via adaptive brightness. Next, we can enable or disable eye comfort mode, schedule it and change its intensity. Then we can change color mode and contrast. Next, we can change wallpaper, enable or disable dark theme, change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, enable or disable auto rotate screen, adjust font size, display size, set screensaver, manage lock screen preferences like notifications on lock screen message, show lockdown option, leave to check phone, and new notifications. In the end, you can enable or disable free finger screenshot. And that's basically it for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.